YouTubers, welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing some Minecraft and we're doing a redstone tutorial on how to make a piston, small, compact, whatever you want to call it, piston door. So here first we'll need blocks of your choice. With your redstone, a sticky piston, redstone torch, redstone, and a pressure plate. So here you make a hole 2 deep, 3 by 2. Then on the side of there's 3 blocks, go down 2, so make a 2 by 2 hole. At the end of that, make a 1 by 1 hole, and do the same on the other side. And don't do that. You're not supposed to do that anyways. Well, you can, but it doesn't really matter. You fill the entire bottom up with redstone dust. Then you put redstone torch, and then another redstone torch. Then put a block on top, another block on top. Then put redstone, piston, piston. Well, it doesn't really matter the order you do it in, but so you put two pressure plates, and boom, you have yourself a door. So I hope you guys find helpful. And then this is what it looks like when you completely cover it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you finish covering it. So, and you can decorate this however you want. You open it, go through there. It's pretty nice. It's yeah. I just decided to do a video on this, and I actually came up with this idea quite a long time ago before I started YouTube and stuff, and I just decided to do a YouTube video on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and goodbye for now. Okay, and I also forgot to explain how this works. So when I was saying the video, I was like, whatever, I'll just record this. But I have to go here and build another one, that means. Because I'm not, taking that apart. Okay, so basically how this works, so there's redstone over here. The pressure plate activates this redstone, which then, if you come over here, so if you come over here, so the redstone's all connected, so you click, you go on the pressure plate, the redstone activates that, which deactivates the redstone torch, which then deactivates this block, which activates both the pistons. So, if I were to stand here and put the piston there, it wouldn't extend. But, yeah, that's how it works. Okay. So, goodbye for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah. Oh yeah, and see you in my next video.